It's only one. What are you making today?
Fijian pie.
Fijian pies. Is it easy or hard?
Hard.
Hard?
That is.
Yeah. Who's doing most of the work?
Me.
You are making it by yourself? Very interesting. Is it original Fiji pie that they use in the village?
No.
No. Are you sure?
Yes.
How about like in Nandi, the city?
Yes.
Okay, good to know. One last question. How many years have you been making this dessert?
The first time.
First time! Good.
Bata. Lalu beku. Bata.
Do we need another one?
Iya. Ada biru.
Here?
Iya.
That's good enough.
Ada biru. Soal. Biru. Mari. Ana.
Is that all? So
Baik,
this
Ibu.
should be enough.
Oke. Air mo kasi puni. Bata.
Here, let me.
Okay. Right.
Next we need
Okay.
flour.
Egg. Aloka. Aloka.
Egg.
Egg. Maybe
2.
2 egg. Dua aloka. Dua aloka.
Okay, let me get them.
Aloka.
Okay, I'll get this one. You get the other one.
Okay. Tana aloka.
Okay, should I?
Okay.
1.
Tana singi. Okay. Tana.
2.
Dua. Suka.
This? Flour?
Okay. Suka.
Flour?
Suka. Suka.
Sugar?
Suka. Suka. Varila suka.
Okay, this is brand new.
Brown sugar awan. Brown sugar.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Come on. Varila brown sugar.
And then we have to
Okay. Now.
put it in here. Right?
Tana.
Here, I can do it.
Okay.
We need to put the things here.
Ibe.
There.
Nakalubek ko. Bisaw. Bisaw.
What?
Bisaw. Bisaw.
Over south to the baby? Yeah, I was in my eye.
Wow. Wait, late makulibong. Baka may gay. Baka may gay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Ready. Ready. Now.
The edges. Nice. Oh, remember the fork thing.
Aí. Spread it na mga upa.
Let me get the fork.
Yeah, tama. Aí. Spread it na mga upa.
Okay.
Tama.
I'd like this on the sides more.
Tama. Spread it na mga upa. Okay.
I'm getting the crust.
Good boy. Nakalubek ko. That's smart.
Okay.
Awak.
Ready? Hey. Okay, ready?
Nana boy. Nakalubek ko. Gary. Awak. Jadi tak apa lagi. Apa dia ni? Hari.
Okay, now hose.
Okay. Apa dia? Nak. dulu beko.
Fijian pie.
Fijian pie. Pasar ngamen ako dulu beko isa tu na ko. Wah,
Wait a
kaini
minute.
ngare.
Where's the mitten?
Ibe.
The mitten.
Takut kuning. Ay, tani ba takut
The
kuning?
mitten.
Kata lihat mo bomba. Ibe takut kuning.
No, I'm just scared.
Ay, oh, okay di awak.
No.
Nah, lu beko. So with a minute. Now we have to wait how many minutes?
1 and 3.
1 and 3, 13.
30 minutes.
And I got all a minute, yeah?
We have to keep in the oven for 30 minutes, then check it later. Hi guys! So we just finished our dough thing. Now we're gonna make the custard. We need this custard and some milk and some goodies.